Five signs. Five signs a woman is interested in you but hiding it. Number one, she find reasons to talk to you. She may message you randomly, ask small questions she already knows the answer to, or create simple conversation for no reason. Why? Because she want connection but doesn't want to be obvious. You no understand? If a woman keep finding reasons to talk to you, pay at ten tion to that. That is I say she like you but you no understand. Number two, she notice more things about you. She notice your haircut, your mood, what you like, small change that ignore. You no understand. Why does this matter? Because people notice what they care about. People notice what they care about. If she remember little details about you, then there's interest there. You know understand. If she notice more change about you, barb your hair, she notice. She wear clothes, she notice. You wear pants, she notice. Any small thing she go just notice am. That's number two sign. Number three signs, she add difference around you. She add different around you. You dey see girl wey be say she dey always dey talk, dey blah 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 everywhere, but when she come around you, she dey always dey quiet. She dey act different around you. You no understand. Around others she may be normal, but around you she become shy, tease, look nervous, try to look her try to look her best. Why? Because your presence affect her, and emotion of ten show through behaviour. You no understand. Then number four, she watch you quietly. Every time she watches you quietly. You don't understand. Many men miss these signs. She may not always talk, but she notice you. Quiet glance, watching what you are doing, paying attention when you speak. Interest is not always loud. Sometimes it's silent observation. Number five signs a woman is interested in you but hiding it. Number five, she give mixed signals. Because she's unsure. Sometimes she like you but she's protecting herself. One day she go warn, another day she go pull back. Not always because she's playing game. Sometimes she's trying not to look too interested. You no understand. A woman who like you may hide her word but her action always speak. Don't just lis ten to what people say. Learn how to observe behavior, because many opportunities are missed. Not because there was no interest, but because there was no awareness. So I just let you know all those things. But if you still a lover, if una later turn lover, don't forget to put yourself first again. Focus on yourself first. You know understand. So please follow my page, like. I love you all. One love.